Whether you're a small or large space gardener, going vertical is a great idea. Not only do you save space, but you add interest from the ground up. And the Enchanted Woods arch is a great way to do just that. Look at that beautiful work. It's powder coated, so it's going to hold that nice black color for years to come. The ceramic birds are a nice feature, and you can move them as well to different places on that arch. Just bring them inside when the danger of frost is in the forecast. But don't worry, you can still enjoy your beautiful arch year-round. Add a few fairy lights for a little added interest. Beautiful in the winter or all year long. Plus, just the beautiful work on this arch is great in the garden any time of year. And what I love about it, when you're starting a new plant and it's so tiny, you still have a nice vertical accent until that vine has time to grow and mature and uncover your archway. So consider adding some beauty from the ground up.